Did you know sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than some supercars. And the record for the loudest sneeze is almost as loud as a rock concert at 176 decibels. Achoo. Fun fact. People used to believe sneezing meant your soul was trying to escape. Hence, saying, "bless you." Oh, and don't forget, sneezing with your eyes open. Practically impossible. Why? Your body's protecting those precious eyeballs from debris. But wait for this. Scientists literally have to study fake sneezes to really understand the phenomenon. Achoo-mazing, right? Next time you sneeze, remember, you just performed an epic biological event, breaking physics barriers. Gesundheit.